Asphalt's an evergreen business opportunity. Literally, asphalt is everywhere. You've got parking lots, you've got driveways, you've got roads, and it needs to be maintained. Left unmaintained, asphalt will eventually turn gray, just like the lot that I'm on right here, and it will start to crack. As those cracks start opening up, water gets in, erodes the foundation, and creates kind of this depression in the asphalt that turns to alligator cracks and then potholes that are liability risks. As for someone who's been in the industry for 25 years, who's built $1 million business in this industry, I can tell you it is evergreen. You repair those cracks, you make $1 a linear foot crack sealing, you prevent those liability risks from happening as well as rapid deterioration. Then you seal coat it with matte black seal coat, which extends the life of the pavement by up to 3 times with proper pavement maintenance. And then of course you lay down those crisp lines to have a nice finish on that lot. If you're looking for an evergreen business opportunity that's filled with 70% margins, then click that link down below and get access to our Build Your Own Business Blueprint. We look forward to serving you.